Thanks for tuning in today, Leggari Nation. We're going to show you a black and gold floor done using our Leggari Effects. It's one of the easiest techniques on the market. Watch how we take this floor and give it a beautiful designer look. It is extremely DIY friendly. So if you want to get your floor kit, go to our website at www.leggari.com.
Before we get started on today's video, we wanted to let you know that we're on our way to 800,000 subscribers, and we've noticed that a huge percentage of you guys that watch our videos every week are not subscribed to our channel. It only takes seconds out of your day to press that subscribe button, especially if you enjoy this content. We launch videos every week so you can get notified every time there's a new one. Thanks for all your support. We hope you enjoy the video.
Opening up the 3-gallon kit box. So the first thing is we're going to dump out both Part A's. Now we're adding our black metallic, a large black metallic, to the Part A of epoxy. Now we have not added the Part B. That's key. You always want to mix in your metallics to your Part A first. Now we recommend, have a shop vac at the top of the bucket to vacuum up any residual metallic dust, or do it outside. Where outside we're just going to mix the metallics into the Part A and get all of them submersed into the Part A resin. Now we brought the bucket back inside, and we're just mixing that up a little bit more. Now we're adding the Part B, or the hardener, to the 2 gallons of Part A. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix this batch in this 5-gallon bucket for about 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. Once we've mixed it for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, we're going to dump that whole batch into a brand new 5-gallon bucket. Then we're going to mix it for about another minute. Okay, now that batch is ready. Now we're going to put these spike shoes on. Like we always teach, we're going to take this black metallic base coat and we're going to put it around the whole perimeter. So we're going to just go around the whole perimeter, and then do a bead right down the middle of the floor. Now, you're just going to apply a little bit of pressure to the squeegee, not a lot. You're mainly going to glide about halfway through that mix and just try to leave some product behind as you spread it out. The squeegee is going to move about 90% of this epoxy around and help it level out. And then we're going to cross roll with a 9-inch roller so that it levels out the rest of the way. Okay, now he has a 9-inch roller. Now this is a 3/8 inch nap roller, and he's already de-shed it. And now what he's doing is just trying to soak up that roller and completely saturate that roller with resin. And now he's just going from wall to wall or edge to edge, and he's not pushing down. And that roller is picking up the thicker spots and dropping it off at the thinner spots. It's amazing how doing this cross roll technique, it actually helps disperse the epoxy perfectly across an area. Like now he's cross rolling again, and he's not applying any pressure. Just the weight of the roller and the handle is just gliding along the surface unless you want to move resin. Now this is our gold Leggari Effects, and notice he shook it up really well, and he's just squirting it on the floor randomly. And he's following those lines with the squeegee and just kind of moving them in kind of a random, not swirl pattern, but like a squiggly pattern. And now we're starting with less, and we'll go and add more where we think we want it. This is one of the fastest techniques and floor kits that we have. And then he's just filling in any open spots that are just really black that he wants to add a little bit more gold. Now he's spraying 91% isopropyl alcohol on the floor. And this really helps the colors disperse and kind of blend together a little bit. You don't have to use it. It'll still look absolutely beautiful if you don't, but we kind of recommend it, and you'll see the finished product and how beautiful it looks here in a second. Okay, this is the denatured alcohol. Notice you're just going back and forth, just kind of crop dusting this whole thing with just a mist of denatured alcohol. And that's just really going to help the floor level out quickly. And if there's any kind of residual bubbles that happened from the squeegee technique, those will all leave as well. Notice how beautiful this floor is. Absolutely beautiful. Now, sometimes really dark floors are hard to get footage of and pictures of. We'll do our best, but it's absolutely gorgeous. You have the highs and lows with the black, because that's the beauty of metallics. Metallics have highs and lows even within every color. So you have highs and lows within the black, and then that gold, especially when the light hits it, just really pops from every angle. Absolutely rich and beautiful.